What people don't know about me is I invented the reverse sweep. That is, you have the sweep for the right-hander, then you have the reverse sweep, and then I reversed that and brought it back to the right-hander, the conventional sweep, which I call the reverse sweep. Only I play that shot in my area. Nobody else is good enough to play it yet, but I don't have time to show you about that. What I do have time for is to start a brand new episode of Colors Cricket Quiz 2021 presented by Nutridor Abhivia in association with Max. And of course, it's all about the teams. So let's not waste time listening to me. Let's listen to them. We'll start with Team Red. Team Red, welcome to the show. Tell me all about yourselves.
Hi everyone. Meet my partner Sandeep Padnani. He is a doting father, a doting husband, a very close friend of mine. He's very passionate about public speaking and his Gavel Club, and the best thing is he does spend time to teach children public speaking as well. Really proud to be his partner here.
Arey, pehla kyun nahi bataya na? He could have helped me with a better opening. You should have told us before, yaar. Now we've wasted the talent. Sir, what is your opinion?
Meet my partner Lavina Punjabi. She is an avid traveler. She's actually gone all the way to London to see cricket. That's how she's crazy about the game.
Wow.
At the same time, she's a wonderful...
She does know there are matches in subcontinent, Gulf, all that as well.
She skipped all that and went all the way to London. So,
fair enough.
And she's a great dancer. And together, for those of you who don't know the meaning, in Japanese it's called the Awesome Red. And we are Team Akane.
Team?
Akane.
Team?
Akane.
We'll play it here. Let's meet Team Yellow.
Hello from Team Yellow. This is my wife Sadaf.
And he's my husband Shoaib. And we are here together to have some cricket fun. And we are called
Dubai Indians.
Dubai Indians, plenty of them in Dubai. Let me tell you, you won't miss home. Everywhere you look, we are there. All right, fair enough. Let's meet Team Green.
Hi, this is my very close friend and neighbor, Batu. She is all about eco-warrior with saving Earth and Mother Earth and lecturing us how to save Earth and not to waste plastic and all those stuff.
And what do you have to say about him?
So he's Praveen. He's very passionate about cricket and he stays up late nights to watch his matches, and he's one of the reasons we are here today, and we call ourselves Al Firdausites.
Al Firdaus, yes. Firdaus, of course, is also a name of my very close relative, but I won't get into that right now because that's called promoting your own family and people. We can't do that. That's not fair. That's nepotism of some kind. What we can do is get on with the game. It's called Googly. Okay, in Googly, we've got two different sections. The first section is stargazing. Very simple. I think you guys know about it. 45 seconds you'll get to look at pictures on a screen and identify who that person is or who the cricketers are. There's a limit of 5 players per team. For every correct answer, the team gets 10 points per answer. Simple. If the player gives the clues by taking the name, it's minus 10. If you can somehow guess all the 5 players within 30 seconds, we will send you straight to the head of the class. And you get 30 points. 30 bonus points, by the way. Let's just be very clear. Okay, the joking is over. Let's start the fun, which is all about telling your partner what you see behind without saying the name. 3, 2, 1. Let's look at the screen. 45 seconds. Got to go fast.
Gabbar of cricket.
Shikhar Dhawan.
Very good. Next one. Next one. Please. Next one.
Something you do in the kitchen. The second word is something you do in the kitchen.
Cook. Alistair Cook.
Very good. Next one. Come on.
Back to the previous one.
He wants to go back. He wants to go back fast. Yeah.
Okay. One more. Just one more behind, if you can.
One more behind. Yep.
All right. He's an Australian player, and you know Apple. It was Eve and
Adam.
full name.
Adam Zampa.
All right.
Very good. And your time is over. Your time is over. But you got 3 right. That's 30. Well done, Red. Well done. 3 is good stuff. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. 45 seconds.
Lalu Prasad.
Yadav. Kuldeep Yadav.
Yes.
Very good. Next.
Rahul.
Dravid.
Cut it.
Ra.
No.
Dra.
Okay, next.
Next. Go to the next.
My favorite Pakistani player.
Shahid
batsman.
Afridi.
Yeah, but he's not that.
Afridi. Shaheen Afridi.
Very good. Next.
There's a bird you find with long legs.
Ostrich.
No.
Duck.
White
Swan.
color. White color.
Swan.
White color.
Duck.
Few seconds
It's
left.
okay. It's okay. Next.
Come on, 5 seconds. Quick.
The college you went to.
Thakur. Shardul Thakur.
30 is 30, not bad. So red and yellow are the same. Thank you so much. Off you go, back to the desk. 3, 2, 1. Let's take a look behind. Well, you can't look behind, Mr. Praveen.
Being very serious. Indian player. Naam. Soch.
Pujara.
Hindi word for being serious. Okay, pass.
Next.
Gambhir.
Okay, keep going.
Gautam Gambhir.
Next.
Next one. She wants the next one. Huh?
Second name has something, some form of exercise in it. What?
Jampa. Madam.
Okay, next.
Next.
Okay, this guy fell into a lot of problem. Pakistani player match fixing mein.
Amir.
Pura naam bol.
That's okay. Fine. Next,
South
next.
African player.
David Villiers.
No. Captain.
Quentin de Kock.
Time up.
Fab du Plessis.
Yeah. Time up. Sorry. Faf. She was right. Ex-captain, if you said, you would have got it immediately. Fair enough. 20 points. You got 2 right. We'll run here to the next part of Googly, which is stargazing, the emotional moment. And I'll say why it's emotional, because both of you have to work together here. We can see the couple's ability to work as a team in just a few seconds, 30 seconds or less. Okay, I'll just explain it. We're going to show a picture of 2 cricketers which are morphed together, all right? 2 faces, and they are connected, all right? They're connected in some way. Don't have to be same team or anything like that, but they're connected in some way. That clue I'll give you after 15 seconds. If you answer incorrectly or pass it, the other teams can also go for it by pressing their buzzer. So keep that in mind. The same rules will apply. You get 30 seconds as a team to crack the answer correctly. You get 30 points if you crack it. Incorrect answer gets you -10. But it carries over, so you can try somebody else's question. 3, 2, 1. Take a look. Yeah, the parents have to be called in for questioning. Let's discuss. Okay, partner in crime is your hint. Partner in crime is your hint. Or partners in crime would be a better way to say it. 10 seconds, come on. They are partners. Partners. Time up. Sorry, it's not Salman Khan and Govinda. It's partners, but a different type of partners. Anybody else wants to try? You want to just try anyway without any points?
Pat Cummings and Hazelwood.
Pat Cummings and Hazelwood is the wrong answer, or the country is correct. The right answer is Hayden and Langer. Partners. Did you get Hayden at least?
We got like the team right, but we were
You
not
got the race
raised.
correct. That's not enough. Yeah. That's huge. You got a species barabar hai. Hathi to hathi hai, and then we'll figure out the name. No, that's very big. But well done. Well done.
Thank you.
Well done, Red. 3, 2, 1. Let's take a look. 15 seconds before I say anything. If you get one, you want to just tell us who?
One doesn't get me a point, right? If I guess one.
No, but I'll give you the hint now. Hunting in pairs.
Okay. Yeah. Can I give the answer?
Yes.
Stuart Broad and James Anderson.
You are right. You are perfectly correct. And let me tell you, audience, they are hunting in pairs. See that? They are hunting in pairs. Who's your favorite, Anderson or Broad?
Anderson.
3, 2, 1. Take your time. Remember, in 15, if you get it, it's nothing.
Okay, I will give it a try. Callis and David Villiers.
Arey Baba, you didn't wait for me to give you the...
Callis is
Incorrect,
there.
incorrect.
Definitely.
I was giving you the clue. Other teams want to take a chance? Wait, you want the clue?
Yes, please.
Okay, it's run machines. Think of the generation, run machines. 2 of them.
Yeah.
Yeah?
I'll try.
Press the buzzer. Yeah?
Callis and Ponting.
You are right. Well done, yellow. Well done, green also. You got Callis, which is pretty obvious, but then you went for AB because you thought of South African connection.
You are giving the
try
same
to
to
tell you the
everyone.
connection very rarely is same country.
That's what you're giving. Both of them got same country. So
No, he got run machine, so immediately thought of who played in that generation, and they both got over 40 test centuries. So, well done. Well done, Green. Doesn't matter. Don't fight amongst yourselves. Don't finger point and blame. It's not over yet. Lots more to come. So, after round 1, team 1 is 30 points. Team, yellow, 1 is red. Yellow is 90 points, and team green is 10 points. So that's where we stand. But don't panic, still lots to come, so I don't think we should worry too much. We have to take a Nutridor Abivia tea break, small one, refresh ourselves, and then we'll come back. All right? You're leading yellow, but anyone can win. All right, welcome back to Colors Cricket Quiz 2021 presented by Nutridor Abivia in association with Max. And now it's time for segment 2, which we call Power Play. Now you see all these Nutridor Abivia cans lined up right there beautifully. Well, you can't show any mercy to them for this game because each has to be toppled, and when you do that, you get 10 points for the red ones. And for the Queen Bee, the Abivia condensed milk can, you get 20 points. So take a look. Red is 10 and the yellow golden one is 20. It's a bigger packet or bigger tin. You can see it. Each teammate, pay attention, will get 2 shots. So that's each one gets 2, so a total of 4, all right? 2 shots. If a team can topple all cans within 2 shots, you get an extra bonus of 50 points. That means if one of you in 2 shots hits everything, 50 points bonus as well. Plus you get 10 per thing, plus you get 20 per big thing. There you go. It's very simple. Okay, when you're ready, go. And red tries to hit me. He didn't like the rules. The shot was against me. So 0 for that, but he's got one more shot. You can smash it harder if you want. He's got a goal. So if it was football or hockey, he scores a goal, but unfortunately it's not. So he gets 0. 0, pressure on the young lady now. Ready? And go. Whenever you want. Oh, there you go. Wow. Excellent, excellent. All right. Wow. So that's 1, 2, everybody's clapping. 3 red, so 30 points. 30 points for team red. And when you're ready, off you go. It was a little too powerful, I felt. Not so elegant. Not so elegant. Come on, Shoaib, pressure. You're the cricket guy here, the commentator, the player. Come on. And he gets 2. He gets 2. Not bad. That's 20 points. 20 points. All right. Now, Shoaib, can the missus do better?
Yeah, let's see.
2. And oh, you hit it, but it didn't fall. Because I said it's not about power and I spoiled it for you. Second one. Come on. Yeah. No, 2. Ah, wow. Well done. So our score remains 2. Shoaib's 2. That's 20. 2 as in 2 cans. 20. Don't look at me like that. He thought I meant 2 points. You get 20 points, but you hit 2 cans. Let's be clear. Mr. Good. Mr. Good is going to hit it. This was bad, Mr. Good. This didn't work. But there's still time for him to rectify the situation. Let's see. Yeah, it was a drag flick. Oh, nice. 1. So you're 10 points. You're on the board. Praveen, on the board. Takes a stance. Stance is ready and... Oh, nice. So we're on 20 as a team. And we have one more shot. And... Oh, nice. Let me just 1 second. 1, 2, 3, 4 are down. Well, 1, 2, 3. Because 1 remained where it was. You're right. 3. 30 points. Okay, so after round 2, Team Red is 60. Team Yellow is 110. And Team Green is 40. 60, 110, 40. And I'm on 19. Because I got disqualified in the middle. But it was a good contest. Everybody scored, so we're still all in the game. Let's see what happens. We will take a Nutridor Abivia chai break, tea break, and then we'll come back and go for the final overs. But still, this is a good competition for once. All 3 are in the hunt. We'll be back after this break. Welcome back to Colors Cricket Quiz 2021 presented by Nutridor Abivia in association with Max. Myself, Raju. That's my name in certain parts of India just to avoid detection. Tax issues, nothing to talk about. But this is the most important part, the third round, where everybody can win because it's called the final over. This is the buzzer round and there'll be 10 questions. Obviously, hit the buzzer, identify yourself, we say yes and you answer. The team that hits the buzzer first gets to answer, clear. If the buzzer is hit while the question is being read out, the question won't be read out further. So if you're in too much of a hurry, it'll just end with half a question. The teams must answer within 10 seconds of hitting the buzzer. 10 points for every correct answer, -5 for the wrong answer. The other teams can hit the buzzer if an incorrect answer is given, but the same rules apply. So you can get -5 if you go a wrong answer, and you can still get 10 for the right answer for a carryover question. Before every question, I'm going to just say the number of the question. Let's say question 1, and I'll pause for a couple of seconds. If you just hit the buzzer and take a chance like that immediately, you are entitled to a free hit. Only that buzzer person can answer going forward. All right? So I'll quickly say you will double the points if you answer correctly, but it can also reduce your score by 10 points. So there's a chance both ways. Some questions are worth 20 points, and with added bonus, you can go on and on and on. So free hit is the one that can change your fortune. All right, are we ready? Simple. Question 1. Free hit illa. Virat Kohli and Anushka Sharma were blessed by a daughter recently. What is that young lady's name? Red, please answer.
Vamika.
Can you say it again?
Vamika?
Vamika, yes. Vamika. So Red has got off to a great start. Question 2. No free hit. Okay. Who is the current captain of UAE's men's ODI? मैं बात नहीं कर सकता.
Ahmed Raza. Ahmed Raza.
Yes. I was angry. Like a smart aleck, he buzzed before we finished the question. But this is a man who knows his cricket. He definitely knows his UAE cricket where he is now, doing a lot of commentary. Shoaib. So lucky question for you in a sense.
Thank you.
Right up the subject, right up your alley. Question 3. I'll wait longer. Just for fun. This is like a man asking a girl out in India. Just waiting. Question 3. I scored a century on Test debut in 2009 against Sri Lanka at Pisara Oval. But my next century, however, came 4,218 days later. Who am I?
Fawad Alam.
It was yellow and he's spot on. Yeah, unfair advantage. Unfair advantage. Shoaib knows his statistics. Well done. And question number 4. All right, question is, which 3 ball manufacturers are there in Test cricket? Yellow, please answer.
SG, Dukes and Kookaburra.
SG, Dukes and Kookaburra. He's on a roll here. Green, you have to pay attention. I'll try and read slowly and all, but whoever, if he picks it up fast, he's going to go for it. There's a bonus in this. Lucky yellow, there's a bonus. No negative marks, you can take a chance. First one, tell us where each of these balls are used. Okay? SG, where's SG used, for
India.
example? Correct. Dukes?
In the England, UK.
Yeah. Okay. Also Ireland and West Indies, but that's fine. Kookaburra?
Australia.
Is it only Australia?
New Zealand.
Okay. Yellow, don't worry, Shoaib, we'll give it to you. This is good so far. And there's an extra bonus. Again, no negative points. You ready?
Okay.
Where is SG's headquarter in India? SG, ball manufacturer, kahan pe hai? Location? India mein.
Meerut.
Yes! Why did you doubt it?
No, I was not sure about Meerut and
Jalandhar.
Punjab, Jalandhar.
Jalandhar is the other. So we think alike. I also was thinking that. We luckily had the answer here. But Meerut is correct. And you won a hell of a lot of prizes. Okay, here comes the big bumper question. Question number 5. No. All right. Okay, bumper question. There have been just 4 players who have won the World Cup and also become match referees. So they won the World Cup and they become match referees. Only 4 players. 10 points for each and every correct name. Green. Praveen.
Paul Rifle.
Paul Rifle.
Paul Rifle, the Australian fast bowler.
Yeah, but referee, I think you're thinking more of an umpire. They're different roles. But go on.
Okay. Srinath was not there. Srinath, he plays
Srinath.
cricket and he is a match referee.
Okay, all right. Praveen stuck here. Anybody wants to go for it? Yellow has pressed the buzzer. Go ahead.
David Boone.
Yes.
And I just know one.
1. So you get 5 points. Back off at the right time. Oh, sorry, you get 10 points. 10 points for one answer. Red? No? Okay, I'll give you the answers. David Boone is correct. Then Roshan Mahanama, Clive Lloyd, and Sunil Gavaskar. Because Gavaskar only officiated in one test, 1994 Jamaica test, which I think was a very bad pitch many years ago, 94 in Kingston, Jamaica. But well done. All right, let's move on to question number 6. Free hit? No, you're just being ready to hit the buzzer fast. Okay. This is on the screen behind you guys, so you'll have to turn around and look at it. You can keep your hand on the buzzer and turn around. The body functions well that way. Okay. All you do is identify the bowling action of this gentleman you're going to see. Now, with that, it's a distinct action that we have frozen there for you. Who is the player? Who is the bowler? Shoaib is taking some special angles. Red is, you know?
You can try.
You want to try? If a name came to mind, might as well try. That means subconsciously you picked up the visual. Time up, all 3 teams. Nobody. Okay, now try quickly. Come on, no pressure.
Ali Khan.
Ali Khan? No. Praveen, it's Sohail Tanveer. Sohail Tanveer. Yeah. Question number 7. I can't wait any longer. The show will end. I won't be able to do the other questions. Number 7. Can you name each of the 11 characters in the side representing the village in the movie Lagan? No negative marks, but only 2 points per answer. So try to get as many as you can. Red has hit the buzzer. Red, go ahead.
Bhuvan.
Yeah.
Lakha.
Yeah.
Kachra.
Yeah.
Bhuvan, Lakha, Kachra. Goli.
Yeah. Okay. I'll just give you the answers anyway. Bhuvan, Lakha, Bagha, Ismail, Ishwar, Guran, Bhura, Kachra, Tippu, Deva and Arjun. But it's a tough one. I don't know all 11.
But you remember now.
Yeah, Goli will give because it's a nickname of one of the guys, so it's fine. You get, I think, a total of 8 points. Question number 8. I can't believe this. Now, there's no time left to do the free hit. Look behind, guys. Once again, it's on the screen. Look behind. Tell us the missing men from the match summary. 10 points per correct answer. What's in green? The name is missing. So if you can quickly tell us what that name is, it's 10 points per name correct. You have to press the buzzer. Okay, Praveen is ready. Go.
Sachin and Mushtaq Ahmed.
Sachin and?
Mushtaq Ahmed. Saqlain Mushtaq.
Okay, let's go slowly. So you got, so I'm giving that even though, because it was a mistake which you didn't mean. Yeah. So Sachin is right. Saqlain is right. We've got one left.
Oh, okay.
Pakistan batting. A batsman who's not known for his defense, but...
Shahid Afridi?
Yes! Yes, good enough for me. Good enough for me. Well done, Green. And wait, there might be a bonus. Here's the bonus question. Are you ready? Who was adjudged the player of the match? The hint is look at the top and see the match. The match is iconic. It's a famous game. It's a very famous game.
Sachin Tendulkar?
That's right. Why so much doubt, yaar? Next time, nasta kha ke aana.
I did a lot of wrong, so I'm
You lost confidence. Probably lost confidence. You were too nice. That's your problem. Question 9. Did you go for it? No free hit? Nobody wants a free hit? Okay. Whose autobiography was titled 281 and Beyond? Okay, it's yellow, team yellow, 281 and Beyond. The answer is?
VVS Lakshman.
That's right. Can you tell me what VVS stands for?
No. No, I cannot. Very, very special. That's his nickname.
So sweet. It's like how my cousin Bunty, his real name is Parikshit, and we call him Bunty. There's no connection. Very good, very good. Excellent. Question number, please, I'm begging you. Somebody hit the free hit. Question number 10. Free hit! Yellow has gone for a free hit and regrets it. Shoaib made that face. It's like he's elected to bat and suddenly realizes the worst wicket ever.
I'll just give it a try.
Okay.
Just for you.
Please do. I think you're a little ahead. You can afford to. Here's the question. All right. Which commentator described the championship victory moment that I'm going to now try to enact badly by myself? Name the commentator. This is what he said. Iconic moment in cricket history. Okay. Carlos Brathwaite! Carlos Brathwaite! Remember the name! History for the West Indies! Remember the name.
Ian Bishop.
Yes! Ian Raphael Bishop. At one time the fastest bowler in the world before his back went out. 20 points, Yellow. Well done. Please clap for everybody. Yellow, you've been fantastic. Shoaib, scintillating performance. Under pressure to deliver with all the build-up we gave him. Praveen, well played. We'll soon find out how well you've done. And Red, towards the end, you really made yourself and your presence felt. All right. So it's time to give you some wonderful prizes, whether you won or lost. And then we'll come back with the scores. So let's start with the scores. Team Green comes third. 3 out of 3 is not bad. 70 points. Team Red, 78 points. You went over by 8 points, so 8 points you got in Lagan. So that really made a difference. But, ladies and gentlemen, what an amazing scorecard today. Shoaib and his lovely wife have got a double century, 200. Wow. Here's the yellow team, our champions of this episode. Well played. Come here, one on each side, because this is the prize that you're getting. First, this lovely trophy. Please hold it and enjoy. And we have this LED smart TV set, 55 inches of great pleasure for you to watch cricket on and for you to watch cricket on. Right?
Yes.
Because you never miss a match. Right? Who's the captain of Bangladesh test team?
I don't remember.
I don't remember. Pakaro mere ko. This is not funny. Doesn't matter. Well played. Well done. Give them a big hand. Come on, Red, Green. Well played yourselves. Clap for everybody.